After an accident, one small mistake can seriously damage the value of your injury claim. Here's what injured people should know to protect their claim. In Alabama, we follow a pure contributory negligence standard. It's a very harsh standard that says if you're 1% at fault for the accident, even if the other person is 99% responsible for the accident, it is a total bar to your recovery. This is a very harsh law. Insurance companies closely examine your actions after the accident, looking for that 1% thing that you could have done differently that bars you from any sort of monetary compensation from their insurer. Here are some common pitfalls that we see all the time with people that call our law firm. The first is delaying medical treatment. After an accident, most people have a lot of adrenaline going through their system and they're not feeling the effects of their injuries right away. They either don't want to tell their doctor about how badly they're hurting, or they just don't go seek medical treatment and have 3-4 week gaps in treatment. These insurance adjusters are going to look at any gap in treatment from the day of the accident to when you first went and got medical treatment. And they're going to say, if he was really that injured, why didn't he go right after the accident? So delays in medical treatment really do affect the valuation of your case, even small delays. You want to seek medical treatment right away after the accident or as soon as possible. Giving recorded statements too soon is another one of these pitfalls we see people make. The insurance adjuster gets you on the phone and they record this phone call and they ask you a bunch of questions about how the accident happened. Anything you say in that recorded statement, they will use against you to deny your claim. Posting on social media. We've seen a couple of cases where you have people go out, they get injured, and then a week or two later, they show up at their high school reunion and some photos are taken. Insurance adjusters, they peruse social media. Anything that's public that they can see showing you doing physical activity or using any sort of limb that you're claiming was injured, they will hold that against you. So don't post on social media after you get in an accident.